Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to preview your video in Project in full screen. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve where we can get started with editing our videos. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add our videos if you haven't already, either by dragging and dropping them from our folders directly right here, or just go to your file button, click import and add your media. So after adding your media and your videos, they are going to appear right here, and now we can get started with adding them to the timeline and editing them. So let's say we have added the videos right here, we have applied all the effects, and now we want to go ahead and see how our video looks, but we want to do so in full screen guys. All we want to do to be able to do that is go ahead and click Ctrl plus F on our keyboard. So guys, go ahead and click Ctrl plus F. After clicking Ctrl plus F guys, as you can see, it's going to open up our video preview in full screen, and now we can get started with previewing and doing whatever we need. After that, just click escape and you'll exit out back to the normal page. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.